Hey guys, this is Bruce from Bruce's Outdoors. Well, I made it over in Alabama to our lake we're gonna fish. It's a nice little lake here, and hopefully we can catch some catfish tonight, but we're gonna have a lot of fun even if we don't. All right, this is our lake we're fishing. I believe it's called Lee County Public Lake. It's a nice little lake out here, so we're gonna have some fun tonight. We'll be fishing until 10 o'clock tonight. All right, guys, it's about 3 o'clock. We just here relaxing, waiting to get started in our tournament. I picked this little cove to fish in here. There's some, see if you can zoom in and show them to you. That's a brush pile right there. Brush pile right there and brush pile right there. So we got about piles in this area. That means they're gonna hold bait fish. And if we got bait fish, we got big fish. So I'm gonna set up right here on these brush piles tonight and see can I get a big one. All right, well, I've tournament started. I got my lines out in the water. I got 3 of them out. Gonna get the other one out here in a sec. See can we get something going on. Morning, everybody. Bruce from Bruce's Outdoors. Well, we fished our tournament yesterday. Had a wonderful time. Wasn't very many fish caught, but my grandson, he caught the biggest one. He won the tournament, and the catfish candy again came through for us. So hope you enjoy this little bit of video. It shows the lake and stuff like that, but we'll be back with some more of them. Thanks everybody for watching, and enjoy your day.